Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and I am doing another RV park talk. So thanks for joining, and this is where we go around, we talk to RV owners about what they bought. Do they have raves or regrets about their RV purchase? And we're gonna go find out. So we're gonna go talk to anybody who will talk to us and see what they have to say. Basically, I ask them 5 questions. What do they own? How long have they had it? What do they like most? What do they like least? And if they have a travel tip they can share with you on a destination that they would like to share, then I get them to tell us where that is, and hopefully that can help you as well. So hang on, let's go find some folks. Okay, so I found our next RV owner to talk to, and it's Mike.
Yep.
Mike, tell us what you own and how long you've had this.
We own a 2024 Integra Accolade. It's a 37L model. We bought it September of 24, so about a year and a half now.
Okay, all right. So you've had a few trips.
Yeah, we had about 20,000 miles on it so far.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So in all that traveling, I'm sure you found, which my next 2 questions are, what do you like the most so far? I'll ask you that one first.
The most we like, so this is our first motorhome. So with 3 little kids running around, traveling with a motorhome is so much better.
Yeah.
So that's been the night and day difference compared to, we had a toy hauler before. Had a few toy haulers before actually, so that's been the nice part.
Yeah. And you still get to bring all your toys.
Yeah. Yeah. Not quite.
Yeah,
we got a flatbed for when the side by side and stuff comes with. So
yeah, nice. So my guess is too, there's probably been a few things you've experienced that you go, it'd be nice if they would have changed this, or it's something may have caused you problems. I guess the thing you've liked the least so far.
So we've had a few. So where the cab over attaches, you can kind of see it. They don't do a real great job bolting it together, and they've all popped out on us.
Oh.
So we've had to fix that. We've had some little maintenance issues, but otherwise it's actually been a really good rig.
Okay. Well, that's awesome. So you'd buy it again?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, cool. That's great to know. Last question that you could share with the viewers. Has there been any RV park or destination you've gone to that you go, man, this is the bomb?
We've had a few. So we stayed Jellystone RV Parks. Have you heard of those?
No.
So Jellystone RV Parks, there's a few on the West Coast. There's a ton on the East Coast. So there's one in Larkspur, which is just south of Denver. Awesome place. There's a new one in Hurricane, Utah, which is unbelievable. It's right by Zion. And then we did one up in San Francisco, which was really good. But those Jellystone parks, it's basically like a water park and a campground.
Nice.
So with the kids and stuff, it's phenomenal.
That's awesome.
It's down an earthquake every single time you roll it out the road. So.
Yeah, and it helps if you're a little handy working on these things. But Mike, thanks for your insights.
Of course.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Hey, while we're on our way to our next interview, I want to remind you that I'm going to put in the description section below the link to my merch shop. So if you want to join the team and get some RV Optimizer clothes, hats, we got stuff for your pets, all kinds of stuff. Check it out, and I appreciate the supporting the channel. Okay, so next up I found Dan to tell us a little bit about what you own.
Yes, we own a Mercedes Chateau Thor.
Okay.
It's a Sprinter version. It's got a pop out on the side.
And how long have you owned this?
About a month.
Oh, a month. Okay, so is this trip number 2? Okay, that's interesting. So fresh perspective. What do you like the most so far then?
The outdoors, the freedom, the ability to kind of go to
Yeah,
places.
see, you got your own amphitheater going on over here and stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Just kind of set up our own space.
Yeah, you got a few little helpers always?
Yes.
Okay.
A son and a daughter, yes.
Okay, cool. Is there something, and I know it's been a short period of time, but that you have found that maybe you would switch or change or really don't like so far that hasn't lived up to what you were hoping?
Nothing to this point. I think for us right now in our RV experience, this is exactly what we want. I think at some point we might move to the next level if we really enjoy it. But
next level would be something
bigger, something a little more.
Yeah.
I think this is a great entry level RV.
Yeah.
That's what I would say.
Yeah. No, that makes sense. And I know the question I typically ask, would you buy it again? And probably a little premature, but so far.
So far, so good.
Okay.
So far, so good.
Very good. And the last question for you, and it may also be based on just a few of your trips so far, but is there any one trip you've been on that you go, man, this one kind of exceeded our expectations, this park?
We've done 2 so far. We did Lake Pleasant in Peoria, Arizona, which is north of Phoenix. and this is our second one. And we've enjoyed the experience for both for different reasons.
Yeah.
This is the amenities, and Lake Pleasant was just because it was on a really nice lake, which is a great experience for the kids.
Awesome. Well, I will let you get back to the kids. I appreciate your time. Okay, next up I have found RJ. And RJ, tell us what you own here.
I've got a Forest River. It's been a great RV. I mean, it's been. I've enjoyed this.
Yeah. And how long have you had it?
We just bought it about a year ago,
Okay.
and it has been a phenomenal. I mean, it's been a really good tool for us to kind of go around in. For
Yeah.
moving home. I'm retired, and I still work, but I'm retired. Out of one job, and now I needed something a little bit. I didn't want to tow anymore,
Yeah.
and so I really wanted to find something a little bit more inclusive that I could take the grandkids in. I have 9 grandchildren,
Oh.
and so they all come in here and they watch TV, and we cook them breakfast and do our thing. But the best part is it's really inclusive with our dogs and having everything in here. It's all like a
Your own
compact.
little home, yeah.
It's all within, so it's been fun. It's been a lot easier to with the grandkids, getting them in the car seats. Then we got to stop. We got to open up everything if they have to go inside. Everything, we got to stop everything.
Yeah.
This one we just kind of do our thing.
Yeah.
It's been a lot of fun.
So you've been on a number of trips since you've got it.
We have.
Yep. What do you like the most so far?
Well, we've put about 15,000 miles on it so far.
Okay.
What I've liked about it is just being inclusive.
Yeah.
Being inclusive.
Now, did you own one before this one?
I've owned 4 of them before.
Okay.
3. I'm sorry, 3.
Okay.
But they've been all tows.
Got it.
And so I really, really wanted to have something a little bit more.
Yeah. Where you could
just
drive,
where I
stop,
could drive,
eat.
stop, eat.
Yep.
You know, and one of the biggest things that we've kind of is all the kids are starting to get into their activities as they go, their soccer, their football, all their just stuff. And it's easier for me just to drive, and they can get in there, they can relax, they can get in the air conditioning and go to all their soccer, even for local.
Yeah.
And so that's
Yeah.
been a very big helpful
That's cool.
for that versus just always having to stay, well, I have to drive to another state or another area in Arizona or wherever I'm going.
Yeah.
It can be just local.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's been nice.
So anything top of mind so far on your trips that you really don't care for?
Some of the doors, I have to constantly adjust the doors.
Yeah.
The maintenance can get a little expensive on them. But other than that, no, it's been pretty good. But
Okay.
mostly a lot of maintenance, and you got to be careful on the slides on these. These are a little bit, they're a little touchy.
Yeah. How so?
We've had to get them repaired already.
Oh, okay.
And so they fell off the track, so that cost a little bit of money.
Now, did that happen when you were out someplace and then you had?
It happened at the house. Luckily, it was at the house, and I was able to get it over.
It's always been a fear of mine with those, right? And so most of them say you can manually override those.
You can.
Yeah.
We did my son-in-laws and my daughter. We manually overrid theirs.
Yeah.
And,
But that's always been a concern.
I'm a very big automotive guy, so
Yeah.
I do that for a living. So
Well, good.
So yeah, it's relatively, we can do a lot with it. But
Yeah.
for the most part, it's been a very good, enjoyable RV to own.
Good. Well, it's good to know. So the last question for you, any place that you've been to that you would recommend others perhaps put on their to-do list?
So with all the grandchildren being said, we've done the Jellystone parks, Larkspur, and we've done Colorado, we've done Arizona, and we just really enjoy going up to the kids parks because, of course, having all the grandchildren,
Yeah.
we're going to do that. But in state, I like coming up on these local trips like Flagstaff, Camp Verde, Prescott Valley. I don't go to Yuma much anymore; it's too hot. But
Yeah.
I still like going to Yuma every so often.
Yeah.
But yeah, some of these little in-state little getaways, I call them staycations,
Yeah.
even though statecations instead of staycations in my own little area.
Yeah.
We'll do a statecation, and it's been a lot of fun.
Awesome. Well,
So
cool.
we really enjoy just getting away from the day-to-day routine and enjoying the family, enjoying where we go.
Yeah. So I think I know the answer, but if you had a choice to buy this one again, would you?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I thought you would say.
Yeah,
Awesome.
Yeah, no.
Awesome.
This is, I've always wanted a driving one.
Yeah.
And it's met my expectations, and it's been a great time having the inclusiveness of having that and
Being able to take
and
everybody
being
with
able.
you.
The
Yeah.
best part is, my other half of 38 years, she likes to read a lot. So she'll sit there and just read all the way up, and it's like she enjoys that part.
There you go.
And
Well,
gets
there's
up-
something for everybody there.
That's right.
Awesome. Well, thanks for taking a few minutes with us.
Not a problem. Thank you.
Awesome.